MacEwan University now uses ApplyProof to provide the letter of acceptance for immigration, refugees, and Citizenship Canada, also known as IRCC. ApplyProof provides a valid, secure, and transparent way to access a student's IRCC letter online from anywhere and confirm it is valid and authentic. The letter notification is sent directly to the student's MacEwan email account with a link to the document housed in ApplyProof. You can see the email comes directly from ApplyProof. This is in addition to the email from MacEwan University, which outlines the conditions of admission as well as any scholarship offers. Make sure you check emails from both MacEwan and ApplyProof. The email from ApplyProof contains a link to the letter of acceptance for IRCC and explains the password required to access it is the student's date of birth in the format of year/month/day. The student clicks on the link provided in the email and they are taken directly to the ApplyProof website. The code for their document is automatically entered and they enter their passcode and click on the blue arrow. This brings them directly to their letter, which is housed within the ApplyProof website. They can scroll up and see their letter of admission, and if they wish to download this to share with another person, they simply go to the upper right corner and click on download. An automatic PDF will pop up, and they can save this on their computer. Once the student downloads the document, they can then upload it to their study permit application on the IRCC portal. They can also email a PDF of the document to their agent, if applicable. When an IRCC officer reviews the letter in the study permit application, the officer will click on this Verify Document link on the second page, enter the date of birth provided as the passcode, and click on the blue arrow. They will then be taken to the document itself again, housed within ApplyProof, so they can see the valid and secure document.